In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a restriction to allow or don't allow background app activities on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. And then we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, we go down to the bottom in the Allow Changes section. Tap on Background App Activities. From here, choose between Allow or Don't Allow. So if you choose Don't Allow, then we'll be not able to use background app activities, or choose Allow. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.